Hello and welcome back. I'm not even sure what episode we're on, but I'm excited for this one because I think it means we finally turned the corner. If you haven't been watching, my '69 Fury 3 had a transmission issue about 6 months ago. Finally pulled the whole drivetrain. I think I got the transmission fixed. And of course, since we had the engine out, I started to go through it as well. But we've torn everything apart that we're going to tear apart. Finally, well, almost. I'm going to pull the timing chain right now, and then we're going to put a new timing chain on, and then we're going to start putting on new stuff. So we're almost there. We're going to turn the corner in this episode where we stop taking stuff apart, and now we're going to start putting it all back together. So that's very exciting. We're going to put it all back together. We're going to repaint it. Got a couple new, cool new parts, and get it back in the car. So this episode, we're just going to see how far we can go. Like I said, going to start with the timing chain, and then go from there. So, here we go. How's that supposed to come off? Suppose I thought that was just going to come off. Let's grab some pullers. Oh, this is going to be so close. No, it's not. Not close at all. That's not going to work. That's not going to work at all. Awesome, that worked. Let's just do a quick test fit here. Facing down, that's good. And we're going to do this one on the 0. The outer 0. This key on this 0. That has it aligned. I think that's the ticket. I think that's it. know what? This is what I'm trying to do. All right. Boom! Well, this is just downright sad. Sad news. I got this fancy new part, and I want to put it right there, but I don't have a gasket. So, that's it. I'm stuck. I don't know. We'll see what else we can do. No gasket. Just don't even know. Okay, new plan. Since I don't have a timing cover gasket, apparently, I can't move forward with the engine. And it's like 90 degrees in here, literally, so I can't paint. So I'm looking around the shop, what else can I do? Because I got some time. Let's do something. And so, transmission. I can put the pump back together and get that off the stand maybe. I don't know. But that's the new plan. We're going to start by getting this cleaned up. I think I have everything I need to put it back together. So let's just do that. All right, here we go. Okay, so this is what we're going to be putting back together. This is my original base. We're going to continue to use that. This is a brand new face, new seal, new bushing in here, and brand new gears. Because my old one was totally sheared off. So that's the plan. Let's start with this guy. Start cleaning this thing up. This is gonna take a while. All right, that's pretty clean. This is just alcohol. I'm just trying to clean it a little bit. Just make sure. Not introducing anything. Paper towel. A little bit of something. All right, I feel a little better about that. That looks like it. That could be the guy. And then, what I've been told, try to keep these square. round in this case. I don't know, but I'm gonna put some on here anyway. Just a little bit of what is that, half inch? Just gonna go to snug. It's okay. Alright, now they're snug. Just give it that little extra. Don't matter. All right, that looks right on the money. I think we're good there. Most important part is to get that really flush. That's where that band comes in handy, for sure. All right. Next up, I do have some dowels to help fit into the transmission there. And yeah, let's get that prepped. Find some gaskets. Gaskets. Okay, I think we're ready. I got my gasket in here. I got my, I got those in there. So hopefully that'll keep that in alignment as it drops in. And here's my guy. And I did replace the rubber seal. So I think we should be good. This really should only go one way. Be this way. Well, that just dropped right in there with no problems. Huh. Oh, there it goes. Certainly seems good. Thought it was going to be just a little bit harder to get in there. I thought I was going to have to screw it down, but I guess not. Huh. So I know these are supposed to be 15 foot-pounds. But I don't have a torque wrench that goes that low. So, and I know we're going into aluminum here, so gotta be careful. Just don't even know. about there. I'm gonna stop there. I think that's it. I think it's fixed. At least I hope so, because that's the worst case scenario. You do all this stuff, put it back in the car, and it pukes all over the floor. So you can only do what you can do, you know. And if it happens, we'll just take it out again. That's just how it will have to be. All right, next.